TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. We already know that the stock market is up forever and forever, so let's take a quick look. Oh, I've got to change something here. Sorry, folks, I've got to change the screen here, and we'll be back in just a second. Hold on just a second. There's where we want to be. Okay, this is the gold market. You remember we were thinking this was going to be the high. This is where we were. We opened Sunday night basically at the 382 retracement. We came down and made a lower low, and then we took the run up, and then we backed off right here to the 382, 4309. That was above this number right here. As soon as we went higher, it looked like we were going to go up, and that's why I wanted to bring this to your attention. The silver market has had a rally that has gone to just a little above the 382, but as you can see, gold is just about ready to take out the old highs. So my premise is that that high that we made at 43.92, dropping $110, we've already up $120 today. So that tells us that this thing is probably going to go a lot more. We're having the same situation going in the stock market. And if you remember, if you read the newsletter, I said, if we're up there Sunday night or Monday, I said, it's going to be off to the races. And it's exactly what's happened. So I don't know when the top is coming in. All I know is that when it does come in, it's going to hurt a lot of people, folks. I'm going to share a chart with you that came out on Friday. And I just wanted to give you some heads up of what's happening in the market. You can believe it or not believe it, but these are things that I've looked at over the past 7 decades that I've been doing this. I've been doing it 62 years. So I'm pretty adept at, I certainly know when I'm wrong, and once in a while I'm right. But the main thing I can do is I can tell you when there's danger there, because I've been in these places before. I've danced with this devil, and I know it's a tough one, but boy, when it happens, it's going to be really, really life-changing for a whole lot of people. I know you find that hard to believe, but that's the way the market's been going. Folks, I've looked at everything in the U.S. markets since 1885. That was 20 years after the Civil War, when we finally started getting good data. Before that time, we had very little data. You'd get prices, but not charts. Charts were not available until the late 1800s. But the main thing is that we had these same cycles going, and they would show where prices would be. This is why we had the bottom, the 1837 bottom. That was Andrew Jackson, when he disbarred the Federal Reserve. It didn't come back until 1913. These are the things that are in the air right now, folks.